Assalamu alaikum dear students. Today we are talking about MDCAT test 2025 biology MCQs quick revision part 2nd. Dear students, if you need MCQs for MDCAT test preparation, let me know in the comment section. Dear students, अभी तक अगर आपने मेरा YouTube चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया तो जल्दी से सब्सक्राइब कर लें, लाइक और शेयर ज़रूर कर लें। शुक्रिया। From DNA, the genetic message is transcribed into this compound is dash. Option A protein, B mRNA, C tRNA, and option D rRNA. So the correct option is B, mRNA. Explanation is transcription is the process of copying DNA into messenger RNA. Almost all the urea is formed in this tissue is option A kidney, B urethra, C uterus, and option D liver. So the correct option is D, liver. The urea cycle is the major pathway for nitrogen excretion, occurs primarily in the liver. Dear students, subscribe now and press the bell icon, never miss an update from Ali Technologist. The genetic code operates through option A, the protein moiety of DNA, B, cestron of DNA, C, nucleotide sequence of mRNA, and option D, the anticodons of tRNA. So the correct option is C, nucleotide sequence of mRNA. The genetic code is read from the nucleotide sequence of messenger RNA during translation. In many proteins, hydrogen bonding produces a regular coiled arrangement which is called option A, beta helix, B, alpha helix, C, both A and B, and option D, spiral. So the correct option is B, alpha helix. Explanation is the alpha helix is a most secondary structure. Increased serum alanine during fasting is due to option A, breakdown of muscle proteins, B, decreased utilization of non-essential amino acids, C, leakage of amino acid to plasma, and option D, impaired renal function. So the correct option is A, breakdown of muscle proteins. Muscle proteolysis releases alanine for gluconeogenesis. Dear students, this is very important MCQs. An animal is a negative nitrogen balance when option A, intake exceeds output, B, new tissue is being synthesized, C, output exceeds intake, and option D, intake is equal to output. So the correct option is C, output exceeds intake. Explanation is negative nitrogen balance occurs when nitrogen excretion output is greater than nitrogen intake, indicating a net loss of protein from the body, for example, during starvation, trauma, or illness. The amino acid containing a hydroxy group, option A glycine, B isoleucine, C arginine, and option D threonine. So the correct option is D, threonine. Threonine has a hydroxyl group in its side chain. The isoelectric pH of an amino acid is dash pH. A positive charge, B negative charge, C. No net charge, and option D. All of these. So the correct option is C. No net charge. At the isoelectric pH, positive and negative charges balance to zero net charge. Dear students, which of the following gives a positive test for non-hadrine? Option A. Reducing sugar. B. Triglycerides. C. Alpha amino acids. And option D. Esters of fats. So the correct option is C. Alpha amino acids. Non-hadrine reacts with free alpha amino acid groups. Aspartate aminotransferase uses the following for transamination. Option A. Glutamic acid and pyruvic acid. B. Glutamic acid and oxaloacetic acid. Option C. Aspartic acid and pyruvic acid. And option D. Aspartic acid and ketoadipic acid. So the correct option is B. Glutamic acid and oxaloacetic acid. An amino acid that does not form an alpha helix is option A. Asparagine. B. Tyrosine. C. Tryptophan. And option D. Proline. So the correct option is D. Proline. Proline's rigid structure disrupt alpha helix formation. Dear students, this is very important MCQs. Which of the following gives a positive test for non-hadrine? Option A. Reducing sugar. B. Triglycerides. C. Alpha amino acids. And option D. Esters of fats. So the correct option is C. Alpha amino acids. Non-hadrine reacts with free alpha amino acid group. Dear students, you are attending past paper KMU-MDCAT test MCQs. So at the end of this tutorial, write your score in comment box. Thank you. Dear students, this is very important MCQs. The pH of albumin is option A 3.6, B 4.7, C 5.0, and option D 6.1. So the correct option is B 4.7. Serum albumin has an isoelectric point around 4.7 pH. % of glucose is normally present in our blood. Option A 0.80%, B 0.08%, C 1.80%, and option D 8%. So the correct option is B 0.08%. Normal blood glucose level is around 80 mg per deciliter, which equals to 0.08% weight by volume. The isoelectric pH of an amino acid is dash pH. Option A positive charge, B negative charge, C no net charge, and option D all of these. So the correct option is C no net charge. At the isoelectric pH, positive and negative charges balance to zero net charge. Translation is the formation of dash. Option A DNA from DNA, B mRNA from DNA, C protein through mRNA, and option D mRNA from pre-mRNA. So the correct option is C protein through mRNA. Translation is the process of synthesizing a protein from the mRNA template. Which of the following statements is correct? Option A. A nucleoprotein usually contain deoxy sugar of the hexose type. Option B. Nucleoproteins are usually absent from the cytoplasm. Option C. Nucleoproteins are usually present in the nucleus only. And option D. Nucleoproteins usually occurs in the nucleus and cytoplasm. So the correct option is D. Nucleoprotein usually occurs in the nucleus and cytoplasm. Nucleoprotein complexes of nucleic acid and proteins are found in both the nucleus, for example chromosomes, and the cytoplasm, for example ribosomes. In addition to the DNA, the nucleus, there is DNA. Option A, mitochondria, endoplasmic reticulum, C, Golgi apparatus, and option D, plasma membrane. So the correct option is A, mitochondria. Mitochondria, chloroplasts in plants have their own DNA. Which of the following compounds is present in RNA but absent from DNA? Option A, thymine, B, cytosine, C, uracil, and option D, guanine. So the correct option is C, uracil. Uracil is found in RNA while thymine is found in DNA. Nucleic acid can be detected by means of their absorption maxima near 260 nanometer. Their absorption in this range is due to what? Option A, proteins, B, purines and pyrimidines, C, ribose, and option D, deoxyribose. So the correct option is B, purines and pyrimidine. The aromatic rings of purine and pyrimidine bases absorb ultraviolet light strongly at around 260 nanometer. Dear students, if you like this video, please सब्सक्राइब माय यूट्यूब चैनल। अगर आपको ये वीडियो पसंद है, बराए मेहरबानी मेरे यूट्यूब चैनल को सब्सक्राइब, लाइक और शेयर ज़रूर कर लें। शुक्रिया। Which of the following contains a deoxy sugar? Option A, RNA, B, DNA, C, ATP, and option D, UTP. So the correct option is B, DNA. DNA contains deoxyribose while RNA contains ribose. ATP and UTP are ribonucleotides containing ribose. So this is last MCQs. Transcription is the formation of dash. Option A, DNA from apparent DNA, B, mRNA from apparent mRNA, C, pre-mRNA from DNA, and option D, protein through mRNA. So the correct option is C, pre-mRNA from DNA. Explanation is transcription is the synthesis of RNA copy, pre-mRNA in eukaryotes from DNA template. Thank you for watching my videos.